Hello everyone, welcome back to C Club Coding YouTube channel. Today I am going to give a video demonstration of our property rental platform, a one-stop solution for finding your next home and list your properties with ease. So let's start with the home page. As you can see, the design is very clean and simple. This is the home page of the application. Let's explore the properties space. Here you can see the listed properties. These are the listed properties. There is a sort features. You can sort low to high, high to low price. You can even filter properties by location, by property type, and also price range. So I'm going to put a location here, then apply filter. Here you can see that this location has two properties. Now I am going to view a property. To view a property, just click on this button. Here you can see the property details. You can see a description here, amenities and features. Currently map is not showing. Let me connect it to the internet first. Let me refresh the page. Here you can see the map. This one is showing on the map. Now to the address. So to reserve this property, just click here. So in order to reserve a property, you have to register yourself first. So I have already registered into the platform, so I'm not gonna waste your time. So just sign in here. So I have registered myself as a host here, so I'm going to show you the host part. So let me log in first. So once successful login, it will redirect me to a host dashboard page. So I have already listed these properties. I can view the properties. I can edit it, I can delete it. To add a new property, just go to this property section, add new property section, just click here. It will redirect you to a property heading page. So this is the form. So this is how you can list your properties. This is the profile page. You can even edit the profile. So I have shown you the host part. Now I am going to, so in order to book a property, so I have to register myself as a traveler. Okay, so I have already registered myself as a traveler as well. So I am going to log in as a traveler. Then I can book a property. So in order to book a property, so you have to register yourself as a traveler or guest at first. So I have already registered myself as a guest here. So I will just log in. So once successful login, so it will redirect me to traveler dashboard. So currently there are no bookings, so I will book a property. Let's select this one and reserve this property. So I have to select a second date and checkout date. So I'm going to select the payment method, Stripe. So it will redirect me to Stripe checkout page. So I will use a dummy payment here. Just put a dummy in here. So this is in the test mode. So this is for test purpose only. So the payment is done successfully. So now user can download the receipt. It is showing that booking is successful and payment has been successful. You can download the receipt from here. So it contains every details. This is the receipt. Here you can see. Here you can see my bookings. So this is how a guest book a property. Now I am going to show you the admin panel. So this is the admin panel of the application. Admin can see the bookings, properties, and registered users. So this is the booking. This is the latest booking. One can view the booking. And one can view the listed properties. These are the listed properties. It contains all the information of the properties. So this is the application, this is the platform, property lending platform. Thank you. Thank you for watching.